here at the AircraftIT in Miami. With Ronald Barron. We've even done some webinars in the past. They have MRO systems and solutions. They have content management, digital task cards. The really cool thing is we come here in a very short period of time. We can learn about what's happening in the industry and the presentations, and we can learn about the different technology and things. Start out by saying, I'm going to talk about digital and aviation, specifically revolving around Web3, and I'm going to get into some details of it. And it's yonder, and right here, let's go ahead and let's just tell everybody real quick, who are you and what do you do? And I'm here with Michael Clark with Ramco. Hi, Mike, how are you?
Good, how are you doing, Mark?
I'm doing great, thanks. Hey, there's a lot of activity here today. There's a lot of energy, a lot of aircraft vendors. People are really happy to be back together joining. I hope you caught the one that I did this morning on blockchain and aviation.